Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install a mod for readable ammo in Stalker 2. To do it, go to this website, which is already also in the description, so you can click on the link easily. And this mod changes the icons of ammo in your inventory to either color-coded or descriptive, so you'll be able to know which type of ammo you have, because it's not really easy to differentiate it in the game. So decide whether you want to use the color-coded version, which explains the color coding here, and this either, or you can choose the descriptive one. So your icons are gonna be like this or like this. Then you can read more of the description, for example the frequently asked questions, so you get more info in case of any conflicts. Then when you've chosen, go to files and click on manual download. Then click on slow download, or if you are not signed into the website, you will see sign in button somewhere here. Just sign into the website, create your account, and then click on slow download and wait for 5 seconds before the download starts. And then after a short while the file will be downloaded, and it comes in the .rar extension. So to open the RAR file, you need to go to a website which is winrar.com, which is also in the description of the video. Then click on download WinRAR, and it will download the file. Then open it, install, and OK, and done. And you'll be able to extract the files. So now let's go to extracting. Go to the downloads folder in your PC, then right click on the downloaded RAR file and click on WinRAR, or if you cannot see it, click on show more options, then WinRAR, and now click on extract to. And now you can see the new extracted folder. Open it, and here you can either select the descriptive or color-coded version, and you get 3 files. So for each one of the options, either descriptive or color-coded, you'll need to select 3 of those and copy that. And if you and you cannot put both, so you cannot put descriptive and color-coded, you can only put either of those. So now let's go to the Steam app, and in library find Stalker 2, right click on it, then click on properties, then click on installed files and browse, then Stalker 2, content, packs, and if you can see the ~mods folder, then you can just open it and copy the files here. If you don't have it, that means that you haven't created it yet, and to create it, right click on somewhere on some free space, then new folder, and name it ~mods. I'm gonna delete that one because I already have my ~mods folder. So let's go into that. You can see that I already have some mods, and if they don't cause a conflict, then it's okay to use together with other mods, but there is a chance that some mods may cause a conflict together, and if they do, then you'll need to select which ones to keep and which ones to delete. You need to test it out yourself so everything works fine. Then let's open the window with these files, and I'm gonna select the descriptive option. So just select UCAS file. UTOC and PAK, and take all of these and move them here. Now they are moved, so you can run the game and see if it works for you. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.